Hello friend, welcome to KSI Data Research. In this video I am going to show how we can develop the remaining part of this Power BI dashboard. The remaining part would be here in this place, and the complete one this is the one. So the remaining part we'll now see how I can develop. Alright, so here already I have done all this card. You can see the world total population, and then is the number of countries 232, and then their rank, area, and then population per square kilometer. So now I'm going to show what are the top 10 countries population in the world, top 10 countries. So I'm going to show with this cluster column chart. So I'm going to use this one. So this cluster column chart, I'm going to show the top 10 countries population. So bring the 2022's value to the values and bring the country name to the x-axis. Alright, so now you can see all the countries name, and then China, India, United States, followed by all the countries. So now we can format this. So go to the format, and then if you wanted to keep the x-axis value, you can keep it, but we are going to do like make it all this name of those column, we're going to make it bold. So we have to go and make it bold like this. Okay, so and then we can label all this column also. So go to the general and go to the title. We are going to do the title also, but we wanted to do the label first. So go to the property, thing is in the visualizing title, see data label. So just turn it on here, it will give you all the titles, but this is kind of clumsy right now. So you can open here and they can modify their orientation also. Okay, see right now it is all the value is horizontal, so you can make it to the vertical. Okay, so look much better now. Alright, so value also you can make it bold also like that. If you wanted to change the color, you can also do the change the color also like this. Alright, so what else we can do with this visual? We can give some background color also. So go to the general and effect. You can go to the effect and give some background color, and also visual border. You can work with the visual border also. So go turn it on, and if you wanted to give any border the same color with a deep color maybe, and then if you wanted to make a round this, you can also round this one. See, that makes it rounded here. Alright, so what are the size you wanted to do? So this is something we can go and check the size over here. So similar type of size we wanted to do this. So this is the size. If you just click here and you can see properties. If you go to the properties, this give you the height and width. So like a 275 height and 500. So we'll keep it like a 500 and 250 or something. Alright, so just go over here and then go to the property size over here, maybe 250, and then width 500. Alright, so what else we can do with this? If you think it is too big, so then we can make it 558 or something like that also. Anyway, so make it, see, it is 480 right now. Alright, so we can put, we wanted to do the top 10 countries. So what we have to do, we have to filter it. Okay, so go to the filter, and in this, the filter on this visual. So we have to filter right here, add data in a field here. So we wanted to see top 10 countries, so you can bring the country name to the value here, and then we want a top 10 countries, so go to the top 10 n, so put the 10 here, and by value, by what? By population. Okay, so by population, so bring this population to the value, and then apply filter. So that will give you only top 10 countries value here. Alright, so China and India has the highest population, and followed by United States and all other countries. Alright, so now what else? Do we need anything else? Yes, that is also, we have to do the title here. Okay, so the title, we go to again here, click, you have to click always the visual, and then we want to change the title. So this is in general. Okay, so go to the title. Here we wanted to put top 10 by population. Alright, so put it into the middle, and if you want it to bold, you can do it, but I'll keep it like this. Okay, so top 10 by population. So here is the top 10 countries by population. So now, since we created and format everything here, so now if you wanted to see the density wise top 10 countries and their geographical location, and also we wanted to see there, you can see over here, we also created that, this is like a, also created that, this is called tree map. Okay, for that we can do it for all the countries, tree map. So we also going to show how we can do that. So in order to do that, we don't have to just create it individually again. So we can just copy this and then paste it 3 more times. Okay, so copy and paste it here, 1 2 3. Okay, so now we have it 3 more times, so we can bring it to the side by side here. Alright, so this is, we'll make it, we'll adjust that size. We'll adjust the size also. Okay, so we'll make the whatever gonna make it better, we will do that. Okay, so now we come to the top 10 by density. Okay, so we can create, this is top 10 by density. So come over here, come to the visual, and then you can have the country is fine here, but the value we will change it to the density. So bring the density to the value. Alright, but we're going to we will use the pie chart here. Okay, so use the pie chart. Alright, so here is the pie chart. So top 10 countries by density wise population. So here is, you can see it's different here. Now in this top 10 country, Bangladesh is the highest actually. The population is almost over 1000 people live in per square kilometer. Alright, so what else we want to change? But we have to change the title here. So go to the title and data label. Okay, so we don't want to give the data label. We can keep it, or we can take it off. But we go to the title, go to the general title on and off. So now we're going to keep it on and give the top 10 by density. By then CITY. Okay, top 10 by density. Okay, so now we can check our other video, the one we have already done. So here is a top 10 by density, top 10 by population, and then we're going to create the geographical location and tree maps. Alright, so here is the one. So density, here is a issue here, the top 10 country by density. Alright, so come to the next. Here we're going to create the tree maps. So this is, go to the visual and click on this tree map. Here is the tree map. So this is the tree map. See, this is the tree map, but here is only top 10, so we can remove the filter here. So come to the filter and clear filter. Okay, so now it comes all the countries here. And if you wanted to remove the title also, just go to the format and general and title off. So this is title off. Okay, so now this one we're going to create a geographical location. So there are two types of map you can see here. One is just a map, another is field map. So I'm going to use the field map here. Okay, so this is the field map, and we're also going to remove the title here. So go here and general title off. Alright, so if you wanted to give the different look for this map, we go to the visual map setting. We can go to style, different style. If you wanted to dark light, you can do. So we're going to use dark here. See, that's whatever you like to do, you can modify over here. Alright, so these are the geographical location tree map. Tree map is nice. You can see how big, depending on the size, is give you the number of population actually here. See if it's China, if you click over here, you can see See, number 1, everything number 1, highest population 1.45, number of people living 149 people living per square kilometer, and this is the area also, and this is the geographical location. Alright, so here is next we wanted to do, okay, let's show you this. Go back to the regular format. So here we are going to put the another bar chart which is going to give you the growth rate. Some countries I wanted to show you over here. If you come to the table, okay, so I created one calculated column. This column should give you, look like I can show you here, not window 2, not this. Okay, so you can see over here the population decline. Population decline means their growth rate is negative. Okay, so also the country like Italy, their growth rate is declining. Okay, so this is population declining, and then rest of the country is population growing. Okay, rest of the country population growing. So how many countries is decline and how many countries is and growing, that is something I have shown in my visual. We're going to show in this visual over here. So by doing this we can bring the map is the bar chart. Okay, let's take bar chart over here. Now you want it to go back. We just wanted to do it, so you have to be outside the any visual first in order to bring any of those new visual to do it. So click on this bar chart. So in this bar chart you bring the growth. So growth you put it in the axis, and growth put it into the values also. Alright, see now we can see the country of growths and country of declining. So we can now format this. Come to the format. If you wanted to turn it off everything here, so it's going to be turned off, just count of growth here. So now we wanted to label this also, no? So in order to label, go to the general and then go to the title effect. We can also create the title here, but before that we wanted to label this. So just turn it on here, it will give you the labels. Okay, so in this label also we can do some more modification. So position wise is auto right now, but if you wanted to insert end, outside end, so we're going to do insert end, so it is goes inside. Alright, so what else we can do? We can give some color, background color. We can modify also bar. Okay, so if you see bar here, see the bar over here is a default one, but if you wanted to show all, you turn it on here. So now you can see population growth, this color, declining you can give red color or some other color. Okay, so this is the color you can give also. Okay, so now we can see count of growth. So here we can write also title, modify the title here. So go to the general, title on, now title on, and go to the here you can write growth G-R-O-T, growth. You can put slash decline. You can put it into the middle, and you can also bold it. Alright, so this is the growth and declines part. 194 countries are growing the population, and there are 38 countries population is declining. So pretty much these are all the informative about the world population. Values are geographical location, density wise, and also all kind of area wise, how many people live into the country. So this is the total world population dashboard. So thank you, and this is the dashboard. Will see as a part 3. So thank you for watching.